an uncle of yours, Kevin Munster from England, has passed on. I want us all to remain calm. I, Lord Kevin Munster, 4th Earl of Shropshire, hereby convey and bequeath unto my beloved nephew, Herman Munster, my entire estate, lands, and properties, thereby investing him with the charter, duties, and title of Lord Munster, 5th Earl of Shropshire. Yes, Emma?
I used to think they'd always be in England, but now I'm not so sure.
The Americans are here.
Good.
I just can't get over it, Lily. To think that this is mine. All mine.
I know, Hermie, baby. But get some sleep now. I want you to look nice when you meet all your relatives tomorrow.
But I just can't sleep, dear. This place is so beautiful. The decor absolutely sends me.
How nice of your family to make us feel so at home. The best gift.
How do you know, Mr. Dye? I'm Herman Munster, and this is my... You know, Lily?
Yes, sugar thanks.
I don't know when I've ever...
Really, children, last night couldn't have been more badly bungled if I'd given it to Parliament to do.
Mumsy used to see him lying there with his great scissor down his forehead. Gossip.
You must be my Aunt Effigy. You know, I can tell, because we both have that same noble Munster brow. Oh, please, don't get up. And you must be my cousin Freddie.
If you kiss me, I'll scream.
And you must be Cousin Grace. Oh, Marilyn. Marilyn, you could take a few lessons from Cousin Grace. See what a sandpaper skin and a touch of malnutrition can do for the complexion?
Oh, yes. It does wonders for you, Cousin Grace.
May I get you a bite of breakfast, Governor?
Oh, thank you very much, Crookshank. But I am not a governor. I never even made alderman. I am a simple man, a man of the people. You may call me Lord.
Mumsy, let me do it in. Pretty please. He shall be done in, but according to the Griffin's prearranged plan. Yes, dear Cousin Herman should conveniently drive himself into the hereafter in the Shropshire Road race next Saturday. Bully, Mums.
I'll be Lord Munster. I'll be Lord Munster.
Oh, ready! It has always been a grudge race between the Munsters and the Maudsley's. The Griffin has arranged that there should be an accident on the track, and Roger Maudsley should get the blame.
Boy, I can hardly wait to burn rubber in this rail.
The race starts in an hour. Eddie and I are going to run ahead so we can get good seats in the grandstand.
Good.
Listen, Buster, this is modern-day England. You can't get away with knocking off Herman.
That's what makes the whole thing so delightful. We can. You see, this will look like an ordinary routine racing accident, and if there is any blame, it will attach to that loathsome oaf, Roger Moresby. Ah! You make yourself comfortable, won't you?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the management of the annual Charger Road Race, thank you for coming to see the event today.
Now, watch your RPMs on those hairpin curves, and whatever you do, keep an eye on that Munster car. Those bounders would do anything to win. Right, Dad.
Above all, drive carefully, dear. Don't you think you better wear a sweater?
Oh, Mother. Look, if you see Marilyn, try and find out why I haven't heard from her.
Of course I will, son.
Good luck. Good luck.
All drivers, check with starter, 5 minutes.
All right, now, Lily. A 1, a 2.
Oh, Father, that was wonderful.
Nothing. Little trick I picked up from Houdini.
Gentlemen, start your motor.
That's the two of them, sir.
Good, Sheriff.
Crikey, they're getting at you all the time.
Never mind. Let's pretend it's your mother-in-law.
Yeah.
I do believe it's time to take it out of first.
And the Munster car takes the lead in a tremendous burst of speed.
Joey, your stomach's growling again.
It's not. It's your old joints are creaking, mate.
It's quaking and growling from back.